Zulu weather. Wind.
Oil temp 126. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to 4,000 RPMs. Okay, I'm gonna go free and correct. Make sure everything's working. Okay, everything feels good. Everything's in the green here. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. I'm gonna do my magneto checks. That's left magneto should drop. Back up. Right magneto should drop. Back up. Carb cool, we should drop. Okay, good. Other than that, buddy, we're ready for takeoff. If we lose an engine above 1,000, I turn this bitch around. I put it right on this fucking pavement here. If we lose it at pattern, we have plenty of room. Let's get this show on the road.
San Martin traffic, 968 Romeo Charlie, turning left base 14 San Martin.
Full power, watch the instruments. Airspeed's alive, we got that squirrel coming at us, we're good. And we're gonna start rotating here. We got positive rate.
Traffic, 968.
I got that traffic in sight to my left. Try to keep us shallow. You notice the climb difference today versus the other day?
Air is way denser today.
2234,
Traffic to the left.
I got traffic in sight. We're through 14, we're gonna back off the power to about 45. Yeah, we got up there quick.
Traffic, we got minus 700 under us.
left base 20, 112.
Minus 500, we're both going in the same direction, Joe.
We're looking for him. He's climbing too.
8 o'clock, 400 feet below.
Alright, let's do a left turn.
He's minus 2.
Am I turning away or to him?
Oh, to him, you better pull up.
Can't pull up because we got no speed.
Bro, he's 100 feet under us.
Traffic, you got us inside here, 2 Hotel Foxtrot.
Where's he at?
400 below us.
Oh, above us.
Call sign ending T, Tango Juliet. This is 2 Hotel Foxtrot. Do you have our traffic in sight? 2 Hotels Foxtrot, Skyhawk 12 Foxtrot. November 5 Passenger is an IFR aircraft en route to Monterey. Copy, 2 Hotel Foxtrot.
Bouncing above us, 1100.
Okay, we're good.
We're good. That got a little squirrely.
Yeah, I did. It did get squirrely, and that's
Look
what
at my hands.
And that's what happens, buddy.
Joe, look.
Good, buddy. I'm glad you experienced that.
Holy shit.
We're hauling ass now. How fast we going?
Shit, 108 knots.
Bleed off some speed. We're gonna fly. We know that the airport is alongside this road and along these mountains. Oh, right there. Okay.
And San Martin traffic, Sports Cruiser 382 Hotel Foxtrot is entering from the east on a left downwind for left close traffic, 14 San Martin.
We got to use the other runway. Okay.
Coming in the opposite side.
Huh?
Coming in the other way, huh?
Yeah, the other way. Okay, that's our runway. You see it? Right there.
Caution, terrain.
That's what we're going to land on, but we can't go straight ahead because it's the pattern.
Terrain ahead.
Okay, I got that traffic in sight. We're going to be turning final here. Our speed's good.
And San Martin traffic, 2 Hotel Foxtrot is turning final, 432 San Martin.
Okay, we're looking good, Chris. Fuel pump's coming on. Everything's good. Our trims are set. Flaps are where we want them. We're coming in on a beautiful glide slope. My fingertips are on the joystick here. And I just got to bleed off some speed here.
Looking good, buddy.
Okay, now we got to start pulling her up. Really gentle here, looking down the runway. Down the runway, I'm going to go right on that back wheelie. Come on, baby. Oh, and that's what we call a bitch greaser.
Right coffin and turning to the right downwind right now. Thank you all, gentlemen, for your help. A lot of traffic in the area here. 2 Hotel Foxtrot coming off the runway 32 San Martin.
Monitor.
Excellent flight, buddy.
That was great.
Hairy, a lot of shit going on. We had to get on our P's and Q's. They threw a fucking monkey wrench at us left as we're coming in. They can switch runways on us. We got to deal with a little adversity. It's a beautiful thing, buddy. And then we put it down on its fucking heels. Fuel pump's coming off, and that's it. Everything comes off, and then we go bop, 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 bop.